When it comes to old money style, a lot of attention should be paid not only to clothes, but also to hairstyles. I'll be honest, not all haircuts are suitable, so you need to be careful. And in this video, I will tell you about 5 perfect old money hairstyles. By choosing one of them, you will definitely be an old money guy. 1. Textured slick back. The textured slick back is a classic hairstyle that has stood the test of time. It's a perfect balance between a clean, sleek appearance and a touch of edginess. The key to mastering this look lies in achieving the right balance of texture, hold, and natural movement. You might have seen Patrick Bateman from American Psycho and Bradley Cooper from Limitless movie with a similar haircut, but you need patience. In order to get textured slick back, you need to grow out sides. And ask your barber to cut only with scissors, no trimmers, because scissors can create a chic, natural texture and it will be much more convenient for you to style your hair. And trimmers still just tear your hair and your haircut will end up looking too flat. Now, it's time to choose the right styling product. Opt for a low-shine product like a pomade or paste. If your hair is unruly and dry, then additionally use pure argan or coconut oil. But apply very little, just a couple of drops will be enough because your hair will just look greasy and dirty. To finish off the slick back, add some texture with your fingers so it doesn't look too slick. Guys, I encourage all of you to become part of my Patreon community. There you will find truly valuable premium content in the form of ebooks written by me on skincare and wardrobe, training programs for gaining mass and weight loss, exclusive videos and podcasts, private one-on-one chat where I will personally answer your questions and more. Also, you can easily recoup the cost of subscription thanks to selected sale packs from various online stores. For example, the recent list featured brands such as Tom Ford and Brunello Cucinelli with 60% off, and the total sale amount was over $3,500. And as a free bonus for 7 days, you can download my first book, How to Glow Up. Join right now, the offer is limited, link in the description. 2. Medium length side part. This is the most versatile haircut that suits essentially every clothing style, most hair types and face shapes. When in the chair, ask for a classic scissor cut on the back and sides, and for the top to be left long enough to part, but short enough to be neat and tidy. But still, leave some length on the sides and back too, so that when finished, the hairstyle looks simply chic. If you make the sides too short, then this will already turn out to be an undercut. The medium-length side part was worn by Ben Affleck's Bruce Wayne in Batman v Superman. What I also like about this haircut is that it can be styled both very formally and dynamic, which adds variability for different days and outfits. Style with water-based pomade or matte paste. 3. Ivy League. The Ivy League cut is a timeless, short and neat hairstyle that exudes sophistication and professionalism. It features close-cropped sides and a slightly longer combed top, making it a practical and low-maintenance choice. Popular among Ivy League students and affluent businessmen, this classic old money haircut is versatile and can be tailored to individual preferences and facial features. The difference from the side part is that here, the hair is not necessarily parted into two. Ivy League is more dynamic and textured. I recommend using matte clay or pomade. 4. The comb-over. The comb-over is a classic and conservative old money haircut that involves combing the hair on top of the head to one side and tapering it towards the back and sides. But this does not mean that the sides and back should be faded. In general, it is worth noting that not every barbers can cut the right comb-over. As a result, many get an aggressive undercut. The meaning of the classic comb-over is that here the transition between sides and top is sharper than in the same side part or Ivy League. Also, you need to be able to style your hair properly. Use low-shine pomade as a basis, a hairdryer for the right form, and finish with hairspray if needed. 5. Messy curtains. Yes, this haircut has become trendy in 2022, but nevertheless it fits well with old money style. If you are a young guy under 25 with a sharp jawline, then messy curtains is your perfect choice. It is dynamic, well emphasizes face shape and looks, especially if your hair is thick and wavy. A simple white linen shirt with curtains will definitely make you look gorgeous and rich. Style using a grooming cream, that will be enough. And also do a hair mask once a week to keep your hair healthy and moisturized.